Sales teams spend over 75% of their time pursuing unqualified leads. And that's why we built Evallo to help you qualify and identify high intent buyers early. Evallo replaces traditional static forms, surveys on your website with conversational forms and surveys, and even quizzes which you could use as lead magnets. With conversational forms, you can ask better, relevant questions and learn more about your leads, which in turn helps your sales teams personalize outreach and improve conversions. And with our AI analytics engine, the more people who take your forms and surveys, the better you are able to understand your target customer persona and build marketing, sales, and ad campaigns that actually work. Here's how easy it is to start building your first Evallo so you can start attracting, engaging, qualifying, and understanding your audiences at scale with our drag and drop no-code editor. Visit evallo.app and click on the Start Building Free button. Log into Evallo Studio and you'll be on Evallo Studio's dashboard. Click on the Create New Evallo button. You can build from scratch, ask AI to build for you, or you can import an Evallo with somebody else created. Yeah, you can share your Evallos, maybe even sell them online if you create a high-performing Evallo. Let's start from scratch. Building an Evallo is as simple as dragging and dropping elements from the node library onto your canvas and editing them. We have a wide range of nodes to help you make meaningful conversations. Hit the preview button to see what your conversations will look like. You can store and recall information that your leads give you in the conversation using flow variables. For example, I could ask a lead for their name, store it in a variable, and then call the variable anywhere in my flow. You can even score your leads using variables. With our AI node, you can get AI to do the talking for you. With our integration nodes, you can send data to any other platforms like CRMs, product, or project management tools. You can even style your conversations to look and feel like your brand. Now all you need to do is hit the publish button and share it on your website or share it directly with your leads. Once your leads start engaging with your form or survey, you can head over to your analytics section and learn more about them. We augment the data that you get from your leads with publicly available data and data that we scrape from sites, giving you a powerful view of who your customers are and how you can target them better. Evallo is a form builder, a lead qualification solution, and an automation tool all in one. So go build and publish your first Evallo at evallo.app today.